Hey there, travelers, ready to uncover Perth? First stop, Kings Park and Botanic Garden. This place is an absolute oasis. With almost 1,000 acres of lush greenery, it's one of the world's largest inner-city parks, perfect for a morning walk, picnic, or just soaking in the stunning city views. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Next up, Elizabeth Quay. This vibrant waterfront precinct is where the city's modern vibe comes to life. Take a leisurely stroll along the Swan River, enjoy a coffee at one of the cafes, or hop on a ferry for a scenic ride. And if you're into art, the public sculptures here are a must-see. Now let's head over to the Perth Mint. Founded in 1899, it's Australia's oldest operating mint. You can watch molten gold being poured, check out the world's largest gold coin, and even strike your own medallion. It's pure gold, literally. Feeling beachy? Cottesloe Beach is calling your name. With its crystal clear waters and golden sands, it's the perfect spot to surf, swim, or simply chill. Sunset here is absolutely magical. Grab some fish and chips and enjoy the show. For a bit more adventure, hop on a ferry to Penguin Island. Home to the largest colony of little penguins in Western Australia, this island is a wildlife wonderland. Besides penguins, you might spot sea lions, dolphins, and a variety of seabirds. It's a nature lover's paradise, and we can't talk about Perth without mentioning Rottnest Island. Famous for its adorable quokkas, this island is a haven for snorkelers, bikers, and beach lovers. With over 63 beaches and 20 bays, there's plenty to explore. Finally, let's go a bit further out to the Pinnacles Desert. Located in Nambung National Park, these limestone formations create a surreal, otherworldly landscape. It's like stepping onto another planet. The best time to visit, sunrise or sunset, when the light creates dramatic shadows and colors. Whether you're into nature, history, or just relaxing by the beach, Perth has something for everyone. Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.